To reactivate your Robinhood account, start by visiting the Robinhood website or opening the mobile app. If you have the app installed on your device, tap to open it. Otherwise, navigate to the website using your preferred browser. Once you are on the login page, click on the Forgot Password option if you are unable to recall your login credentials. Follow the prompts to reset your password, which will involve entering your email address or phone number associated with your account. After resetting your password, log into your account using the new credentials. If your account is inactive, you will see a notification prompting you to reactivate it. Click on the Reactivate option and follow the instructions. You may be required to verify your identity by providing some personal and financial information. This is a standard security measure to ensure the account belongs to you. Fill out the required forms accurately and submit them for review. In some cases, you may need to upload identification documents such as a driver's license or passport to complete the verification process. Make sure the documents are clear and valid, as this will help speed up the reactivation process. After submitting the required information and documents, wait for Robinhood to review and process your request. This may take a few hours or days, depending on the volume of requests they are handling. Once your account is reactivated, you will receive a notification via email or in-app alert. Log into your account to ensure everything is in order and you can resume trading and managing your portfolio. It is essential to note that if your account was deactivated due to inactivity or other issues, you may need to agree to updated terms and conditions or complete any outstanding requirements before your account is fully reactivated. Throughout the reactivation process, ensure you have a stable internet connection and follow the instructions carefully to avoid any delays. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Robinhood support for assistance.